Hello everyone. Well, guess what I'm going to be working on today? Another coffee mug. This time in white. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do, but I think I'm going to do like a border around it. And today I'm going to be using these multi-surface paints by Apple Barrel instead of the Deco Art, just to see how they are. I've never really used them. So before we get started, first thing I'm going to do is take some rubbing alcohol and just wipe this down. Just try and get every area of it. Now, I just want to make a border right underneath here. So I'm going to go with a number 7. And I got this Paradise Pink color I'm going to use. And I'm just going to make dots all the way around it and just try and keep them fairly evenly spaced. I'm going to go to this Princess Pink. And I'm going to put another dot in between. Now, I think I'm going to do the same thing down on the bottom. So still using a number 7. Going to put that dark pink on the outside and then the lighter pink on the inside. Okay, now I'm going to do that lighter pink, still with a number 7. Okay. Now the only color green I could get was this Mountain Forest, so I'm going to add some white and lighten it. Now I'm going to go to a number 3 and I'm going to place on a lightened green dot in between Okay, now I'm going to do the same on the bottom. I'm going to go in with this dark Princess Purple color. And I'm going to try doing every other dot. I don't know if I have even dots around here, so I'm going to use small enough that if I have to do every one, I can. So let's go. I'm going to go with the number 4. And I'm going to dot right above this pink. See, that's what I was afraid of. It didn't come out even. So I'm just going to dot above each one of them. That was all done with the number 4. I think I said that though. So here's what we have. Just a top border and a bottom border. So now I'm going to eyeball the center and using the number 10, I'm going to use the dark pink and make a center dot. Now I'm going to turn the mug around. There's one there. So I need to be over here. Just going to try and eyeball the center. Okay, because I want to have the same pattern on the front and on the back to the number 3. I'm going to do my 4 dots to start, and then one in between. The number 5, and I'm going to use the light pink. Okay, now I'm going to go up to the number 6, and I'm going to use that light green color we made. Okay, now I'm going to go up to the number 8, and I'm going to use that dark purple. To the number 10, dark purple dot. I think I just want to do random mandalas around here. So I got that one there and that one on the other side. And I think I'm going to put one right in the middle here. And I'm not going to be using the same numbers. This is number 10. And I'm going to put it down. This is in the number 4. So this is not going to match up with that other. Oh, number 6 with the light pink. I've got the number 4, and I'm going to use the green. I'm going to go in between here, like that. Let's go to the number 9, and I'm going to use purple, that dark purple, and do a big dot in between those greens. I'm going to pull that lighter purple color in. This is Wisteria. I'm going to go to a number 4. I'm going to do a small dot out from these with the number 4. So using number 3, I'm going to walk some dots. Using number 3, I'm going to walk dots around these as well. Okay, I'm going to do this on the back side. So now I want to fill in, and I'm just going to do this randomly. This is a number 6, and I'm going to just make a dot. Now on number 8, I'm going to take that green and just place in dots randomly. Let's go with the 10. And this is that Wisteria. That light pink. I'm going to go in with a number 5, and I'm going to add a few dots of that too. Now, I think I'm going to leave it at that for my pattern. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to top dot. I'm going to go in and top dot the lighter pink color on the darker pink color, and the darker pink on the lighter pink. I'm going to go with a number 3. I'm going to start by top dotting the light on the dark. Okay, now I'm going to go and do the bottoms. Okay, and I'm going to use the light pink and the number 3, and I'm going to dot on these dark pink random dots. Okay, now for that center dot, do the number 5 with the light pink. And top dot on these center dots. Okay, now I'm going to switch to the darker pink color using the number 3, and I'm going to top dot on the lighter pinks down here, and then up on top as well. Okay, I'm going to do the top, still using the number 3. Okay, now I'm going to go down to a number 2, and I'm going to dot on these in the center. Okay, and then these over here as well, to do those random light dots. I'm going to stick with the number 2. Now I'm going to go in with the dark purple with the number 5 and those random dots. To the number 4. With that Wisteria color. I'm going to dot on these outer ones first. I'm going to do these. Okay, and then I got to do the outer ones in this one. Now for the green ones, I'm going to use number 4 yet, and I think I'm going to tap dot white on those. I think I might just leave it at that. Let's take a look real quick. Get at a better distance. And there we have it. I'm gonna call that done. I think it's cute. Just a random mandala pattern in pastel colors. So I hope you guys like it. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.